take a moment to honor the hard-working mechanics whose tireless efforts often go unnoticed. These unsung heroes, braving the elements and enduring long hours, ensure that our lives run smoothly. Through rain and shine, their unwavering dedication and skill keep us moving forward. Let us recognize their commitment and the invaluable service they provide. Their hands, stained with grease and sweat, tell stories of perseverance and resilience. Next time you see a mechanic at work, remember the sacrifices they make and the strength they embody. Let's show them the appreciation they truly deserve.